Friends, good morning. Last week we had discussed about the need for truthful laws to avoid conflicts, wars, and establish a rule of dharma or law. All that was needed for survival. The events thereafter have not yet resolved the fear or tension in the world. And worst is that there are heads of nations, president, prime ministers, who make public statement that they can kill so and so, they can kill so and so, they can kill so and so. The question we are raising is, dharma in the ancient Bharatiya system was the rule of existence. Don't do to others what you would not like to be done to you. Don't harm others who cannot even protect themselves. Don't use falsehood to suppress truth. These were some of the dictates of the laws of existence. Purpose was everybody should live happily, everybody has a right to live, people are born at places, nations, today we call them countries and whatnot, but people are basically born at places in time and space. That place is their birthplace. It could be a village, it could be a city, it could be a nation, it could be a world, but all on earth. That was the fundamental of laws of existence. Everybody had a right to use and enjoy nature and duty to serve and protect the natural resources and the environment. Today, what is happening around us? Though it is true that even in the past there were incidents where powerful overruled the weak, even when powerful were false and weak were true. But the rule of existence or rule of law, which is prevalent in modern world under the terms like constitutions and written rules and book of rules and whatnot, also clearly says don't harm others, don't harm anyone. The question we are raising is, are these rules relevant in modern times, particularly in democracy? Why we are saying democracy? Because in aristocracy, in dictatorship, in communism and other forms, the constitution itself is manipulated by those in power. So we are not bringing that into play. What we are talking about, democracy, the rule of people, by the people, for the people, and the biggest nation in the world, the strongest today in the world, is a democratic nation, though a capitalist. Democracy has various facets, but we are not going into the too many political aspects. But fundamental point we are talking about is, if there are written rules, they should be same for all. They should be equal for all. But unfortunately, rules are interpreted by people, by human beings. They are lawyers, they are judges, they are influential people who not only made the laws or make the laws, but they use and apply the laws. Question is, saying I will kill so and so is bad for anyone. Head of a nation saying we can easily kill so and so, I can easily kill so and so, is it a law? Is it democracy? Is it the way dharma can be established or rule of law can be established? There are nations who are killing each other. In recent war, in one day they killed so many people, and it happens on all sides. But they did not say that we will kill XYZ. Question we are raising it, when a statement is made that I will kill X or Y or Z or XYZ, or we will kill X or Y or Z or XYZ, is it not a crime? Is it lawful? Because a person is president or a prime minister or a head of something, does it qualify? Does it empower those making such statements to take law into their hands and still talk of law? That is the question we are raising in front of everyone. Whole humanity. We are raising a question in front of humanity. In the previous video, we raised the question was that so-called intelligence agencies are saying this does not exist, but some other influential departments and people are saying no, it exists. In such a situation, how does a world resolve such issues? How do we protect the world from conflicts or happening problems all around us? That is the question we are raising. The point which is being raised is very simple. Unless there are some rules and laws which are respected by everybody, how can we expect people who are young today, children today, when they grow tomorrow, to respect rule of law and existence? By raising this question, we are also raising another question. Are the laws adequate? Are the agencies implementing, ensuring rule of law? Are they just? Are they efficient? Are they capable? And if so, why unlawful activities are happening? Take the case of our nation, India, Bharat. If you read the newspapers, the local columns show so and so came on bail and killed so and so. Rule gave bail to a culprit who was accused in murder case but not yet fully punished. And person comes and again kills. Who is responsible? Law does not provide any enforcement agency to protect the victim, but rule protects the culprit and provides freedom to kill again. There are cases of false institutions, fake degrees, fake happenings, fake cases, people cheating in the name of cybercrime, people cheating in the name of property, people cheating in the name of XYZ, all type of things. Where is the law? And the way law is implemented, it seems that vagabonds, the unlawful, those who can twist the law and manipulate the law, seem to be enjoying the best in the world. Is that what the world should be? Is that what we are looking in a world of law, justice, and peace? Therefore, the question we are raising, should not laws be relooked at And there should be international and national agencies who can implement the law truthfully, honestly, without being influenced, and particularly protect the victims, the weak, those who do not have money and power to protect themselves from those who have money and power and are bent upon making others suffer. Our question is on the basic fundamentals of law, fundamentals of implementation of law, fundamentals of interpretation of law and application of law. There is a need in the world in general, and India in particular, or nations in particular, to establish rule of law wherein the weak, the less power person is protected and culprits are not given the safety. Look at a case. Ministers are being questioned, cases are running against them, they are being called by various names, and they are running the country. They want to run the country. They are running the parties. How can such parties ever be lawful? There are cases where the heads of the parties were murderers, but because they had power and money, they escaped and became ministers and chief ministers and whatnot. Is that the way law should be implemented? Is it what law in the world is? Today we are raising a question: is there not a need to relook at law, the way it is written, the way it is interpreted, the way it is applied? And the world is suffering for injustice in the hands of those who are responsible for justice. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. God bless all.